It's been called the glue that binds the universe together. Dark matter. Scientists have never seen it, but guess it must invisibly exist because galaxies are heavier than the stuff they can see and measure, like the stunning phenomenon of the Northern Lights. They think dark matter accounts for a quarter of the universe, so proving it's there is vital. It's the heavy matter in a galaxy that stops it falling apart as it spins. So how do they think they've found it? Well, you can't see dark matter at all, but sometimes it collides with other particles of dark matter in a process called annihilation. And it's annihilation which has given this previously imperceptible dark matter away. When that happens, scientists think they should see a slight rise in the presence of something called positrons. These are the universe's counterbalance for the electrons you learned about in school on the outskirts of every atom.
If our theories are correct, especially Einstein's theory of relativity, which explains the motion of our planets and the stars and the galaxies, if that is still to be maintained, then dark matter needs to exist.
A rise in positrons is what they think they've measured on the International Space Station using a $1.6 billion sensor, the most expensive yet. But finding dark matter is so dramatically important because its mass lets galaxies hang together. It lets us exist.
All right, Nick Paton-Walsh joins us now from London. Tell us what it may mean to shed, let's say, new light on dark matter.
Well, it's a pretty big deal for scientists in many ways because they've been relying on dark matter existing to explain a kind of a missing quarter of the universe that doesn't work out under their maths. Galaxies spin so quickly that they need to be heavier, otherwise they'd fall apart because they keep measuring galaxies more precisely. So in many ways, if dark matter didn't exist, scientists would have to kind of invent it for themselves. Otherwise, Einstein's theory of relativity wouldn't make sense to them. The key thing for them, though, is they learn more about what the universe is made of, they can begin to get into greater detail about how it will proceed in the future.